In May 2023, it was reported that there were around 110 million refugees and internally displaced individuals worldwide, surpassing the entire population of Germany. This global challenge has spurred companies into action, striving to provide comfortable accommodations for this vast number of people. The answer comes in the form of foldable shelters, combining the convenience of tents with the durability of camping trailers. Remarkably, these shelters can be assembled in just 11 minutes without requiring any tools and can comfortably house up to 8 people. Furthermore, they are adaptable for various purposes, including functioning as medical centers or storage spaces. In a heartwarming gesture, for every 11 shelters sold, the manufacturer generously donates one to refugee camps around the world. This remarkable dome has the potential to transform your garden into a modern paradise as claimed by its manufacturers. Let's delve into the specifics. With a size of 9.6 square meters, it can comfortably accommodate up to 12 individuals. Crafted from polycarbonate, a material renowned for its exceptional durability, 200 times stronger than glass. This dome offers robust protection against snow, rain, and winds reaching speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. What's more, its intelligent design ensures it remains in pristine condition for over a decade, thanks to UV-protected polycarbonate panels. Assembling the dome is a breeze, taking just around 4 hours with all the necessary tools provided. Maintenance is hassle-free as well, requiring only periodic watering with a hose and a simple wipe down. The price tag for this remarkable dome is approximately $1,200. Alaska Defense is renowned for its versatile tent camps. These camps, sought after not only by the U.S. military, but also by NATO forces and international organizations, offer adaptability that suits both military and civilian applications. These tents serve various purposes, from mobile repair bases and hospitals to kitchens, temporary shelters, and even airplane hangars. They come in a range of widths, spanning from 2.4 to 46 meters, with customizable lengths to accommodate anywhere from 50 to 5,000 individuals. Remarkably, they boast a durability of around a decade in field use and can be stored for up to 2 decades. Additionally, Alaska Defense provides a comprehensive selection of equipment, including heaters and power systems, to meet all your operational needs. Estonia's Maru company has truly mastered the art of innovation. Picture this, a multifunctional trailer that effortlessly triples its size. The XL variant of this trailer boasts an expansive 30 square meters of space, offering endless possibilities. Transform it into your dream office or a stylish barber shop. Step inside and you'll discover top-notch insulation and a Mitsubishi split system to ensure your comfort. Be it sweltering at 50 degrees Celsius or chilling at -40 degrees Celsius outside. Worried about power? No problem. Simply add solar panels for a worry-free energy source. Assembling this marvel is a breeze, taking a mere 8 minutes. Start it up the classic way with a button press or do it remotely from your smartphone for added convenience. The Russian Ministry of Emergency Situations relies on these hangars for aircraft and helicopter maintenance. This version of the hangar boasts impressive dimensions, measuring 40 by 45 by 22 meters, offering ample space, even accommodating an Un-74 airplane. Setting up this hangar requires a substantial 80-hour commitment, but it comes equipped with pneumatic gates measuring 37 by 13 meters, along with essential features like heating, lighting, and a fire alarm system. The manufacturing company demonstrates versatility by crafting hangars for diverse purposes and configurations. For instance, one can request a customizable gym hanger. Remarkably, no foundation is needed for installation. An automatic blower with intelligent control ensures precise pressure maintenance, making these hangars an adaptable solution for a range of requirements. The visionary behind Dutch firm Flexotels is often hailed as the godfather of glamping. His extensive tenure in the industry has even spawned tales of Napoleon himself having lodged in a Flexotel. Now, let's delve into the reasons behind the resounding success of these portable accommodations at concerts and festivals. For starters, these mobile hotels exhibit an exceptional capacity for transport, with a single truck capable of ferrying 20 suites. Each standard suite, measuring 7.2 square meters, comfortably accommodates 3 to 4 individuals. Inside, you'll discover 2 distinct rooms, both equipped with lockable doors, as well as beds, mattresses, power outlets, and cabinets. Impressively, these mobile hotels can be erected at astonishing speeds, with up to 150 of them being assembled in a single day, contingent on the version in use. If you're in need of a 296 square meter, 2-story home built within a remarkably swift 4-day span, look no further than the American company, Mighty Buildings. They achieved this feat through the application of robotics and 3D printing, outpacing their competitors by over threefold. Their innovative construction techniques result in a mere 1% waste generation compared to conventional methods. Quality is a given, as 80% of their production is automated. Furthermore, they offer flexibility in floor plans, facade textures, and house colors to tailor your preferences. Their materials are not only 5 times stronger than concrete when it comes to tension and bending, but also 30% lighter. These enduring houses boast a lifespan of over 50 years. It's no surprise that Mighty Buildings has successfully secured financing exceeding $100 million. The Hungarian company behind this groundbreaking foldable container technology has garnered recognition for its innovation. They demonstrated their remarkable containers at the 2019 World Ski Championships and have successfully marketed them in 18 different countries. These versatile containers are conveniently maneuvered and unfolded with a forklift. When fully expanded, the CN10 container occupies a mere 7.2 square meters of space. Equipped with 5 220-volt outlets, LED lighting, plastic doors, and windows as standard features, they offer versatility and utility. For larger occasions, customers have the option to include air conditioning and heating systems. Moreover, these containers can be stacked to create a compact hotel, making them a promising solution for various applications. PTH, a prominent Chinese firm, operates on an impressive scale with a sprawling 50,000 square meters of production space. They've earned a reputation for their affordable yet durable prefabricated houses. Remarkably, assembling a standard 40 square meter dwelling takes merely 8 hours, promising a sturdy lifespan of approximately 50 years. These resilient homes are designed to withstand earthquakes, gusts of up to 250 kilometers per hour, and heavy snowfall. What adds to their appeal is the extensive selection of furniture options that seamlessly enhance the living space. You'll discover a variety of choices, including beds, nightstands, tables, sofas, and more, to complete your ideal home. This innovative advancement streamlines the way we prepare for concerts and outdoor events, eliminating the need for tedious hours of setup. When a truck arrives at the venue, it seamlessly transforms into a 105 square meter stage with minimal manual intervention. Workers only need to add finishing touches like setting up monitors, adjusting spotlights, or altering the roof's height from 4.3 to 8 meters. This remarkable innovation from China drastically shortens stage preparation time to as little as 3 hours. Let's conclude by talking about these inflatable structures. Some folks market them as party tents, while others tout them as versatile warehouses, retail spaces, or exhibition centers. However, the benefits of most models are quite consistent. Firstly, they can be set up quickly. For example, a flexible inflatable hangar covering 134 square meters can be assembled in about an hour. Secondly, no elaborate foundation preparations are needed. Lastly, these structures are adaptable to various climates. Many models are designed to withstand temperatures ranging from -45 to +55 degrees Celsius. So whether you're hosting a lively event, need extra storage space, or want to showcase products, these inflatable structures offer a practical and efficient solution.